Minasan, konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer desu. In this video, we'll solve problem number 4 under conic section circle. Okay, let us go to the problem. We are given problem number 4 as a graph. We have a graph. Look at the graph, we cannot see. So let us make a bigger picture presentation out of it. So this is the graph for number 4 problem. Okay, so as you can see in the graph, we have important characteristic there. So take a look and recall our topic. Recall there are only 3 important traits of a circle: center, point P, and radius. We need 2 information. Can we have the center? Yes, you can see on the graph. We can see the center. Center is given as letter A, so we can use letter A rather than letter C. A is what? What is the coordinate of A? Use x first. X is negative 4. Okay, negative 4. And what is the y equivalent? That is 1, positive 1. So the center is at negative 4, 1. Okay? We need another information. Can we see the radius? We cannot. Therefore, we need a point. We need 1 point. Okay, we need 1 point. Anywhere in the circle, anywhere, you can see the circle intersects the y-axis. Okay? The circle intersects the y-axis at what? At what point? We can see here. This is point what? We can see the point. This is point 0. X is 0. Y is 3. So 0, 3. So it is clearly 0, 3. So point P is 0, 3. There may be some of you who can see another point, but we only need 2 points. We already has a center and a point. That is enough. But you can check. You can also have another point, which is the lower portion, this one. The lower portion, which is also 0, because x is 0, but negative 1. This is negative 1. This part is negative 1. Okay? Can you see it? Can you see this? So, this one. You can also use that, and it will give us the same answer. The same answer. We will have the same answer using that. We will have the same answer. So, in our case, we use the center and the point P in 0, 3. We use the positive point. Okay? So, we can find the radius, because the radius is the distance from the center to the point P. So we can calculate r squared, that is x1 minus x2, so negative 4 minus 0 squared plus y1 minus y2, that is 1 minus 3 squared, and compute that. Negative 4 squared is 16. 1 minus 3, that is negative 2. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So we have what? 20. Okay? We have 20. And we have 20. we can immediately use the standard form of the circle, which is what? What is the standard form? X minus minus negative 4, that is x minus minus, that is plus 4. It will become positive. It will become positive plus y minus k is 1. So minus 1 squared, and it is equal to 20 as we already computed. Now, this is the answer in standard form. This is the standard form. Okay. So this is the answer for problem number 4. Again, this is Dr. AP, preaching engineering for nation building.